Welcome to the channel, and thank you so much for watching. Today's video is all about crochet top beautiful designs, where we'll explore a stunning collection of stylish, creative, and inspiring crochet tops. If you love handmade fashion, unique textures, and elegant patterns, you're in the right place. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful showcase of crochet artistry. Crochet tops are more than just clothing. They are a form of art made with patience, creativity, and love. Each design tells a story through its stitches, patterns, and colors. Every stitch requires time and focus. These designs show dedication and skill, reminding us that handmade clothing carries a personal touch that factory-made fashion cannot replace. Crochet tops are also a great way to express individuality. No two handmade pieces are exactly the same. Even when using the same pattern, each creator adds their own style through color choices, yarn texture, and finishing details. This makes crochet tops truly one of a kind. For those who enjoy making their own clothing, crochet tops are a wonderful project. They allow creativity to flow freely and offer endless design possibilities. From simple beginner styles to advanced artistic patterns, crochet has something for everyone. These designs can inspire new ideas for your next project or help you discover the perfect look for your wardrobe. Whether you love soft and simple designs or bold and detailed ones, there is always something magical about seeing crochet transform into beautiful wearable art. Crochet tops are also perfect for different seasons. Lightweight cotton or linen yarns work beautifully for summer, while thicker yarns can be used for cooler weather styles. With the right design, crochet tops can be worn all year round. Fashion trends come and go, but handmade crochet remains special because it connects creativity with comfort. Each design reflects patience, imagination, and passion. That's why crochet fashion continues to grow in popularity around the world. As you continue watching this video, let the designs inspire you. Imagine how each piece would look styled in different ways. Picture yourself wearing these beautiful crochet tops, feeling confident, comfortable, and unique. If you love crochet fashion, don't forget to support handmade art and creative designers. Share this video with friends who enjoy fashion and craft. And let's spread appreciation for beautiful crochet work. Thank you for spending time with us today and enjoying this collection of crochet top beautiful designs. I hope this video brings you inspiration, creativity, and a deeper love for handmade fashion. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful design inspiration. Let me know in the comments which design you loved the most. Until next time, keep creating, keep inspiring, and keep loving handmade beauty.